Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete domain in GoDaddy. All right, let's begin. First, go to GoDaddy.com and log into your account. Once logged in, you will be taken to your dashboard. To find your domains, click Domains on the left-hand menu. You will see a list of your domains. Select the domain you want to delete and click Domain Settings. Once inside the domain settings, scroll to the bottom of the page. Before deleting, you may want to turn off Auto Renew, although this step is optional. If you delete the domain, it will not renew regardless. Now, at the bottom of the settings page, under Advanced, click Delete Domain. You will be prompted to confirm your choice. Confirm the deletion. The domain will be removed from your GoDaddy account. Please note that you will not receive a refund once the domain is deleted. So that's basically how you can delete domain in GoDaddy. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.